Right now, while millions of people argue online about the same 3 or 4 AI chatbots, a second layer of the internet has been quietly assembling itself in plain sight, not hidden, not locked behind a government firewall or a corporate NDA, just ignored, because none of it comes with a billion-dollar marketing budget or a celebrity spokesperson attached. 10 tools sitting right there on the open web, free or nearly free, doing things that sound like they shouldn't be possible yet, quietly passed around in developer forums and private group chats by people who already understand exactly what they've found. By the end of this list, you'll know all 10, and the last one on it is the one that changes what reading even means. Stay with me. Number 10, Napkin AI. For as long as visual communication has existed, it's been gatekept by design school and design agencies, years of training, or the money to hire someone who has it. Napkin erases that gate in one move. You paste in plain text, a strategy memo, a rough idea, a paragraph of notes, and it reads the logic buried inside your words and turns it into a clean diagram in seconds. No design background required. Consultants are using it to walk clients through complicated strategy in minutes instead of hours. Teachers are using it to build explanations students actually remember. Entrepreneurs are using it to turn a page of scratch notes into something that looks investor-ready before a pitch meeting even starts. And here's the part worth sitting with. Psychologist Alan Paivio's dual coding research, going back decades, has shown that pairing an idea with an image dramatically improves how much of it people retain and how fast they understand it in the first place. Napkin just took that advantage away from anyone with a design department and handed it to anyone with a laptop. Next, we're moving from turning ideas into pictures to turning ideas into an entire presentation, built by itself. Number 9, Gamma. There's a quiet, expensive habit buried inside almost every company. Hours of skilled people's time spent adjusting fonts, aligning boxes, and hunting for images instead of doing the work the presentation is actually about. A workplace survey by presentation firm Buffalo 7 found that nearly 29% of leadership teams spend 5 hours or more every single week just building slides. And across employees generally, over a tenth of the entire working week disappears into that same task. Gamma ends that. You describe your topic, your audience, and your goal, and it produces a fully designed deck. Images, structure, and narrative flow included in the time it takes to make coffee. By 2026, it's expanded past slides into full interactive documents and standalone pages from the same prompt, blurring the line between a presentation and a published piece of content. Companies quietly running it don't announce that they're doing it. Why would they? When you can build in 10 minutes what a competitor spends a full day on, you don't brag about the tool. You just show up better prepared more often with a cleaner deck every single time. Next, a tool that doesn't just save you time building things, it gives you a voice you were never born with, in a language you don't speak. Number 8, ElevenLabs. In 2023, a small AI company released a technology that the broadcasting and audiobook industries immediately recognized as either a revolution or a threat, depending on which side of the microphone they were standing on. ElevenLabs can clone a human voice from a short sample and generate natural, emotionally expressive speech in over 40 languages, capturing accent, rhythm, pacing, and the small human imperfections every older text-to-speech system always missed. A YouTuber who records their entire channel in English can now speak fluent Spanish, Hindi, and Portuguese to an entirely new audience without recording one extra word in their own voice. For small businesses, independent authors, and educators in countries where professional voiceover was financially out of reach, that's not a convenience. It's a door that was closed and is suddenly open. But here's what the industry doesn't say loudly. The global professional voiceover market, worth billions of dollars, is watching a technology that can replicate the single most valuable asset performers spent careers building. That tension isn't going away, and the technology isn't going back in the box. Next, the tool quietly replacing the way an entire generation searches for the truth. Number 7, Perplexity AI. Traditional search engines were never built to answer you. They were built to show you links, and behind those links sit advertisers, SEO-optimized content farms writing to rank instead of to inform, and an ocean of conflicting information that leaves you more confused than when you started. Perplexity searches the web in real time, reads the most credible and relevant sources, and gives you a direct, cited answer instead of 10 blue links to sort through yourself. Every claim comes with the exact source attached so you can verify it yourself instead of taking the platform's word for it. The difference the first time you use it is almost jarring, and underneath that convenience is something bigger. Every minute spent wading through irrelevant search results is a minute of attention you don't get back. And in an economy built entirely on where your attention goes, that minute has real, measurable value. Researchers, students, and small business owners are quietly swapping it in as their default, not because it's trendy, but because it gives back the one resource nothing else does: your own focus. Quick pause, because this next one is worth a second of your time either way. If this list is already changing how you think about what's quietly out there, hit subscribe now. Because once this channel hits 1,000 subscribers, we're picking one random new subscriber to win a $100 Amazon gift card. No purchase necessary, no catch, just a thank you for sticking around this far. Okay, back to the list. Number 6. Udio. Making music at a professional level has always required an instrument, years of practice, music theory, and usually a studio full of people you can't afford. Udio lets you describe the song you want, the genre, the mood, the tempo, the specific emotional texture, and generates a fully produced track with real vocals, harmony, and instrumentation that would have needed an entire studio team just 5 years ago. People are using it for wedding songs written about their own relationship, memorial songs, and anniversary gifts that simply couldn't have existed at any price before this technology arrived. But this one comes with real friction attached, and it's worth knowing about before you get too comfortable. The major label sued Udio in 2024 over how its underlying model was trained on copyrighted recordings, and while Universal and Warner have since settled and moved into licensing deals, Sony filed a fresh lawsuit in July of 2026, naming more than 30,000 specific songs it says were used without permission. The question of who actually owns a song an AI helped write is not settled. It's live, in court right now as you're watching this. Next, the tool trying to fix a problem buried inside science itself. Number 5. Consensus. More than 5 million peer-reviewed research papers are published every single year, and that number keeps climbing every year on top of the last. Almost all of it sits behind institutional paywalls, written in technical language built for specialists, effectively invisible to the ordinary people whose health, money, and daily decisions it actually affects. Consensus searches across tens of millions of peer-reviewed papers and tells you, in plain language with citations attached to the exact source, what the actual body of research concludes. Not a blogger's opinion, not a supplement company's marketing copy, what the peer-reviewed evidence itself shows, verifiable paper by paper, in seconds. In a moment when misinformation spreads faster than any correction can catch up to it, this is one of the only tools built specifically to close that gap between what science knows and what the public believes. Ask it whether a supplement actually works, whether a medication carries a specific long-term risk, whether a popular diet claim holds up, and you get the studies themselves, not somebody's paraphrase of them. Next, the AI limitation that used to give away every fake image instantly, quietly solved. Number 4. Ideogram. Anyone who spent time with an AI image generator knows the one thing that always broke the illusion: text. Ask for a poster or a YouTube thumbnail with real, readable words on it, and what you'd get back was a visual mess. Letters twisted into nonsense shapes, phonetically close to English but belonging to no real language on Earth. Ideogram was built specifically to solve that, and it has, in a way that still catches experienced designers off guard the first time they see it. It generates images with clean, legible typography built directly into the visual. Posters, thumbnails, product labels, marketing banners, all from a single text prompt. Small businesses that could never afford a graphic designer now have professional-looking assets on demand. Content creators are building custom thumbnails at scale without a design team on retainer. And it isn't just the text rendering that unsettles the design industry. It's that the overall output quality, in style, range, and detail, now genuinely challenges work produced by trained professionals. Next, the tool almost nobody realized had completely reinvented itself behind the scenes. Number 3. Tome. Most people who've heard of Tome know it as a presentation tool, and that's exactly what makes it worth including here, because that version of Tome doesn't exist anymore. In 2025, the company shut its slide building product down entirely and rebuilt itself as an AI research tool for sales teams, one that automatically pulls a prospect's public records, CRM history, and account footprint into a personalized briefing before every meeting. The old well-known use case is gone. The new one is quieter, and for the people actually using it, arguably sharper. Sales reps and account executives walking into a pitch already knowing more about the account than the person sitting across the table expects them to. The advantage is completely invisible from the outside. The client just sees someone who did their homework better than the competition ever does. Next, the tool answering a question nobody's fully settled yet: who actually owns a song a machine helped make? Number 2. Suno. Like Udio, Suno generates fully produced, vocally driven songs from a plain text description, and the output doesn't sound like a demonstration of what AI can approximate. It sounds like a finished song, complete with harmonies that feel chosen rather than generated and production that fits confidently within whatever genre it's aiming for. Independent filmmakers are scoring entire projects with it. Brands are building sonic identities from scratch. Game studios are generating adaptive soundtracks that used to require a full composing and production team on payroll. Suno is fighting the same industry lawsuit Udio partly settled, with a summary judgment hearing scheduled for July of 2026 that could decide, for the first time, how far AI-generated music is actually protected as fair use. Whichever way that ruling lands, it will reshape every single tool on this list that touches creative work, not just these two. Next, the one that ties this entire list together. Number 1. NotebookLM. On the surface, the description sounds almost modest: an AI research tool where you upload your own documents and have a conversation with them. Sit with what that actually means for a second. Upload your research papers, your notes, your reports, anything you're working with, and NotebookLM answers questions about them in plain language, with citations pointing to the exact passage the answer came from. Not the open internet, not general training data scraped from anywhere. Your material, specifically, with complete traceability back to the source. But here's the part that stops most people cold the first time they see it. NotebookLM can turn your uploaded documents into a full audio conversation between two AI hosts, discussing your material the way a real podcast would, now in more than 80 languages, with an interactive mode that lets you interrupt and redirect the conversation live if you want more detail on one specific point. The limitation was never how smart you are. It was always time, and the old assumption that absorbing something complex meant sitting still with it, undistracted, for hours. NotebookLM removes both of those requirements at once. That's not a productivity trick. That's a genuinely different way of learning. That's the list. 10 tools, 10 collapsed barriers that used to cost money, years of training, or access most people never had. None of them are secret. They're just quiet for now, which means the advantage of knowing about them early is still sitting right there, unclaimed for whoever picks it up first. The window where knowing about these gives you a real edge over the people around you isn't permanent. Every one of these will eventually become common knowledge, and the playing field will level back out. But right now, today, there's still a gap, and the only thing standing between you and that gap is whether you actually go try one of these this week instead of just watching another video about them. If one of these 10 surprised you more than the rest, drop a comment telling us which one and why. And remember, subscribing gets you an entry into that $100 Amazon gift card drawing the moment we hit 1,000 subscribers. Like this video if it opened your eyes even a little, and I'll see you in the next one.